The 22nd of May looked like a promising day, with tornadic supercells forecasted to form from early afternoon into the late night. We decided to head for southeastern Kansas first, where we intercepted the first heavily rotating storm. Our supercell had now begun to cluster with newly emerging storms that quickly shaped into impressive hook echoes. On the Doppler radar, the green indicates a strong updraft forming that feeds the storm with energy. Once the tornado warning was issued, we decided to abandon our storm to head further south into Oklahoma. Everything looked very promising and a large tornado had already been reported with our new storm, but once we were in position, it threw on a show I will probably never forget. Möglicherweise ist es Zeit zu gehen. That is some serious lightning. We also just got tornado warned. We have that big long-hanging wall cloud to the left. It does look a bit ominous, so gotta keep a close eye on that so we don't get hit by a tornado out of nowhere. Dang, this lightning is pretty. A new supercell had meanwhile arrived and lit up the sky with crazy lightning once more. We repositioned and watched it spin wildly in front of us. The video reveals what we assumed on location but couldn't confirm. A large tornado had formed behind the tree line east of us. Shortly after, we already aimed for the next storm north of Tulsa, with tornado sirens blaring in the background.
Das ist so ein komisches Gefühl, wenn man diese Tornadosirene hört, Mann.
Ja, das ist unheimlich.
Ja, es ist richtig unheimlich.
Ja, besonders in der Nacht, gell?
Ja, genau, weil man es halt nicht sieht. Wow, Alter, die fetzt aber gut raus, ey. Vor allem die rechte.
On the radar, a beautiful couplet had formed, indicating very strong rotation in the storm's mesocyclone. We decided to position in the area along the inflow jet to get the clearest view of the storm's base. The lightning rate was crazy at that point as updraft surged.
Ein kleines Report zur Zelle.
Oder?
Ein kleines Report zur Zelle.
Nett. Ein paar Blitze, aber nur ein paar.
Nur ein paar.
Nur ein paar. Ungefähr, ich würde sagen, so 100 die Minute. Mindestens.
Together with other chasers from Germany and Australia, we enjoyed the spectacle that nature had in bound for us. Oh, okay. Like leave it 3 seconds to.
Yeah, if I put it at 2, it'll like slowly make its way to 0,
Mm.
and then it'll start to overlap.
Lightning was striking well in front of the storm now, blowing up transformers left and right. As the RFD was bound to hit, we decided to go for the next and last storm of the day, another supercell. It almost had something poetic, driving back hundreds of kilometers through flashing clouds that night. Lightning had been our constant companion of the day, and even after seeing 5 full-grown supercells, it still remained a showstopper on May 22nd. We all were to some extent exhausted, but still euphoric about the amount of craziness Mother Nature had thrown at us throughout that day.
God dang, man.
Meint ihr, wir sollten abhauen?